My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type application called DigitalPaper. DigitalPaper is a special adware that is designed specifically to attack Mac computers. This particular adware is from the adload family of malware infections with features of adware. DigitalPaper affects the majority of Mac-related browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers may be affected too. DigitalPaper, once installed, starts displaying the multitude of its advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. The problem with DigitalPaper adware is that people download and install it unintentionally. It may be integrated with certain free applications, so in many cases people just download and install DigitalPaper without realizing that they are actually installing adware type program. The majority of such adware type applications may also collect some browsing related data and transfer this information to third parties illegally. Often the ads displayed by DigitalPaper adware are presented on top of other content, so this prevents people from properly perceiving other decent content. Therefore, we strongly advise that you get rid of this adware as soon as possible. To do that, go to your Finder, check your applications, find DigitalPaper, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend researching your computer additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official site combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. This is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. In my case, as you can clearly see, it is in the premium mode. Combo Cleaner, even with the trial mode, has got certain absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. And even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your Mac computer. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, unwanted browser extensions, and other threats, of course. I forgot to mention that the website combocleaner.com offers you to download versions of Combo Cleaner, whether for Mac or for Windows computers. The website will automatically detect your operating system. Anyway, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and elimination of any other adware or malware that could possibly still remain on your computer. Speaking about the antivirus function of Combo Cleaner, there are several scan types available: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. Of course, the trial version only gives you the Quick Scan option, but that will be sufficient enough to detect any other adware type applications that could possibly be the part of your Mac computer. It is essential to have the reliable antivirus software on your Mac because surfing the internet is not really safe these days. You might decide to download and install some free programs, download it online, but you might not realize that such free applications may also be integrated with some adware or browser hijackers, third-party extensions, and other threats. Anyway, Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to automatically detect all such threats and to remove them effectively, and also to protect your computer from being infected in the future. So now the update procedure for Combo Cleaner anti-malware database is about to be finally completed. Then you need to click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. Then at the lapse of some time, you will see the detailed report about the threats which were found during the scanning. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your Mac computer. Based on that information, some of these threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program. This is the best way to keep your data always protected and to make sure that your Mac computer is always free of any threats and protected against other malware attacks. So upgrade to premium, and this will help you to make sure your Mac is always defended against other malware attacks.